Hello, have you tried the new Canva templates? And I want to show you all today one that is called the Canva animation template. Okay, so let's see here. We're going to go over to Canva. And in order for you to see the new things that they have now, basically I already clicked on it to bring up the new design. And so right now you see where it says your designs, it shows templates, and then it has Canva AI. How cool is that, right? And then up here, you'll get to see what is new. So I'm going to click on here so you can kind of see. Basically, they just had their big launch, and here are the things, okay, that they showed in their actual launch on last Thursday. And so they got Canva AI, they got Magic Charts, they got Magic Studio, a new photo editor, and bulk create, okay? And so here are some of the things here, and you can just click on these things to learn more. Like right here, the Magic Studios, you can click on here to learn more. You can try the Magic Charts, explore the different apps. So it's all kind of things you can do in here. And how cool is this? Basically, it says want to level up your skills in Canva. You can try new skills right here and collect badges. I think I'm going to look into that myself, right? And then, of course, they have the new AI studio. And so I'll be doing a video on that as well. And then, of course, they're showing you the different possibilities with Canva Code, a background generator, AI voice. That sounds really good, right? And then also, you're able to turn your docs into stories. This is up my alley for sure. Okay, it's called Scrollable. I'm definitely going to try that. And then you can turn any of your designs into a website. Now, this is definitely a game changer. Okay, and then you can highlight text in Canva Docs. Of course, there's some other things along there. And then, of course, if you have something new, so the next time they make some new changes, you can go right there and submit it. All right. And then they're showing you how you can format your text. You can refine your typography and enhance the look and feel. So you see the difference in this video here, just the brightness and the colors right here. And then, of course, you can balance the audio. And so it's so many other things right here. Now, this was a new, here's some other releases, from earlier this year, but also the one that I wanted to show you on today right here, which says master the art of animation. All right, and so I'm going to click on here and say try animation. All right, and let's see what comes up. So how cool is this? So what I would like to do, and so you see over here, is actually showing you step by step how to do this. Right here, ask Canva. This is the coolest thing, right? And so it says to click on the photo, which is this photo here. All right. In your toolbar, you can select animate. All right. So I'm going to click on animate up here. And then now it says click on featured. So here are some of the new things. So if I click on there, see how the picture just shakes in here? And this one here is a slide. Look at that. Looks like the old school TV. Okay, some of you may not know what a TV was back in the day. And then it's a chrome wave. Here's like a reveal. Let's see, ink, digital. Oh, I like that one. Gradient. Sketch, spray paint. Cool. I like this digital one. I'm gonna click on that one. I love it. Okay. And so now that I have that, right? Okay. And it says hit present. All right. But before I do that, okay, what I'm going to do is change this to my company name. I'm going to change this to, let's see, Bible Trivia with a Twist event. And let's see. And then I want to say here, the meeting magician. Okay. And I'm going to say, um, best church grower. Okay, because that's the name of my game. And so you see how this is left aligned. I can leave it like that, or I can click up here. I can center this, or it can be right aligned. Okay, I like the right align really, but I'm gonna do the center. Okay, there. And then I'm going to put the name of the person that assisted me at this event. Or say, for instance, when I have my actual event, the Bible Trivia with a Twist event, I can actually have all of the participants to have their picture put on here and their name. I'll just put my friend name on here, her last name Davis. Okay, and then right here what says animate this photo, I'm going to change this. I'm going to change the wording in here to say, let's see here, you made an impact as a church grower. Okay, how cool is that, right? And so this picture here, I can go here and upload, any picture that I want in here. Yeah, how about this? I'll put my friend. Select. Oop, undo. Okay. One selected. Okay. It is not putting it in there. Oh, maybe if I click on there first. Maybe it needs to be a headshot. Maybe it needs to be a headshot. Delete. And there we go. Whoa, I didn't need two. All right, here it is. Now, what I could do is take the background off of here, okay? We're playing around today, okay? This is something new. I haven't tried this before, all right? How cool is that, okay? And then like the other picture, it had, let's see, let's go back to, where is it? Do I want to go to? I want to put a shape. Let me put a shape. And I want a color. I want that to be, yeah, I think I'll have it to be, no, I just want to change this one. All right, I want to change that. And then I want to kind of pull that out. Let's stretch this out. Whoa, come on. And also, I want y'all to know that I'm using a new recording device instead of Zoom. It looks like Zoom is having some type of issue or problem on today. And so I'm not sure why, but it is. And Pull this down, and then I want to say send to back. Where's the position? Right here. Click on position, and I'll do to back. Ooh, to front. So I need, okay, let's go, let me see, backwards. There we go. Backwards. Okay. And so how cool is that, right? How cool is that, what I just created? And let's see here. I want to pull that up just a tad. I don't want it pulled all the way. I just want to pull it down just a little bit. So it can have the, but I need to pull the, yeah, let's pull this down. Maybe I can just pull this bottom piece of this. Let's see, crop. Yeah, there we go. Let's click on crop. And I'll move this up like that. All right, click on done. Yeah, all right, now that's much better. So now, there we go. How cool is that? That's my friend. I love her. She is the one that assists me when I have my Bible Trivia with a twist events. And yeah, she is the best church grower. And so this is yellow. I don't want that yellow. I think I might change it to the brown. Oh, do we want it to be brown? Okay, we can leave it brown, but we need to do the positioning and to back or to front, backwards. Okay, let's undo, 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 undo. Okay, so basically, what's a different? Maybe let me see here. I changed it to this color. Okay, there we go. That is the color. Wonder if I want to keep that color. I think that's cute. I like it. Hopefully you guys like it. Let's see here. Bible Trivia Twist event. Yvette Davis is what this goes to. And so now I can actually, I think I want to change that blue. Or do I need a light blue? I kind of, what do you think? What do you think? So let's see here. I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's see. I think I like that better. Ah, that one much better. That one is much better. I like that even better. Let's see, because this has the yellow. I think this stands out much better here. So definitely, you guys can play around, okay? And so what I want to do is, of course, this page 2 here, I can delete this because I don't need that. Delete page. Okay. And so now I can click on, let me change this to, let's see here, church grower animation. And so let's go back to doing the, let's see. Oh, no. We want to do this. We want to click on here. We want to click on animate, right? That's the new thing. Oh, wow. Let's try that. Yes. Crown wave. Okay, so let's go back to pick the one that I had liked. I really liked, which is that. Yes, that one right there. Cool. So we got it to looking like I wanted to. Now let's click on present. And I'll click on present. Ta-da! How cool is that, right? And so, yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you all on today. And definitely, I would like for you guys to comment below. What will you use this concept for with your business, with your product, or your service? Okay, I am Lady Terry B. Jones, the creator of the Church Grower board game. And on today, I want you to give someone a hug, show someone a smile, and let someone know that Jesus loved them and you do too. Thank you for joining me on today. And I know I haven't created a Canva tutorial video in a while, but definitely I'm going to get back to creating these videos, showing you all the really cool things that you can do inside of Canva. All right. Have a wonderful day.